That's exactly correct. So Renergen, we announced in November, acquired Tetra, and through the proceeds of the capital raised from Renergen, that's been used to construct the first compression station, which I'm very proud to announce is now complete, and we have now successfully compressed South Africa's first ever onshore gas, which is a major milestone in our company. That's correct. So these buses are the culmination of an enormous amount of work from a lot of people, ranging from Busmark to Scania, to Megabus to ourselves. And the point behind this project was to show that it's not only cost effective to move towards a greener form of transport, but what the significance of the Euro 6 engine is that for the very first time ever, you've got a diesel engine versus a CNG engine consuming the exact same amount of energy on a like-for-like basis to move the bus the exact same distance. Historically, that's never been possible. That's the first advantage. The second advantage is that you've got, under the right circumstances, a reduction in CO2 emissions of in the order of magnitude of up to 90%. So typically, let's call it 1 gigajoule of gas, which is the unit of gas that you sell, gives you approximately 27 liters equivalent of diesel. Now, normally you'd have to put a lot more than 1 gigajoule in to get the same amount of distance as you would putting in 27 liters of diesel into a tank. Whereas with a Euro 6 bus, you're sitting in the position where 1 gigajoule of gas is going to give you exactly the same distance as 27 liters of diesel. And as we said, this is the very first time that a gas Euro 6 engine will ever be operated on this continent. So this is another major milestone. Not so much for us, but this is one for the transport industry in general. So moving CNG obviously comes with its challenges because of the light density in terms of energy. So you're moving quite a bit of metal to get your energy somewhere. In terms of our business model, we're starting off with the operations closest to our home base, and then we'll start to expand further and further as our supply starts to increase. In terms of feasibility, at this stage we can probably feasibly get gas to about a maximum of 300 kilometers, but right now demand outstrips supply, so us moving further than 50 kilometers in the short term would probably be a bit of a stretch. Those are feasible clients for the company going forward, and we have been in the press and we have mentioned several initiatives that we have underway. Obviously there are retrofitting of trucks which we're analyzing along with some clients. There's the fleet of locomotives on one of the gold mining companies in the area. So we've got quite a few initiatives underway, as well as large industrial companies who are just looking for gas as a potential for thermal energy.